Hello bakers, you are welcome to class once again. So you can see how stable this whipped cream is. This is actually a powdered whipped cream, and I hope you guys have understood the process from the beginning to the end. I've taught you guys different designs, so I hope you understand the process. And I hope you saw how stabilized the whipped cream is. So if yours is not like that, then probably you're doing something wrong. So you guys are gonna see the process of how I decorated this cake from start to finish. Anyway, there's nothing actually much to see here again, but I might not really talk much here, but just know that this particular cake design is quite simple, not that difficult. I actually made something for you guys so that you guys can easily understand. So I hope you guys still understood that part that I said the more you go around, the more you get to achieve a flawless neat cake. You can see how this one is flawless, is beautiful, so smooth, clean, edges popping, everything. So you just have to watch the video all over again until you get it right. I totally enjoy decorating whipped cream cakes because not that it's not only it's my niche, or not only that it's easy for me, but I just love the texture of my whipped cream, especially the fact that they are so stable. So if you get your recipe right, you're definitely going to enjoy decorating whipped cream, especially when it's stable enough. So this particular color here is a gray color, kind of. Whipped cream, for if you're going to achieve black, whipped cream is not that popping out with black color. So if you add too much of black into your whipped cream, you might the taste will definitely change. It will be tasting somehow. So if you want to achieve a black whipped cream, it won't give you that black color that you need because it's whipped cream, unlike butter icing. You can see how my edges is popping out, right? So unlike butter icing, if you're trying to achieve black color with butter icing, it will definitely come out, but for whipped cream it will not, because it's whipped cream. That's how it's being made. So there's nothing you can do about it. The highest color you can achieve is gray color, just like this one. Do you understand? So I hope you guys understand that aspect of how I achieve my colored whipped cream. I'm sure you must have seen the video. So yeah, it's me using my white chocolate for my drips. I also enjoy using white chocolate. You see, white chocolate has its own method. A lot of bakers have been complaining that their white chocolate is giving them issues, but me, I have my own techniques and method. So the drip actually came out nice on this cake. I actually love the fact that I hope you guys can see how smooth this cake is. Looking so smooth. You can see the piping is stable. Even from the piping itself, you could tell that the whipped cream is super stable. And I used Miesta brand. Most of my whipped cream powder I used Miesta brand. So you can see the drips, guys. The drips is actually awesome. It's good. You can see how the drip is so lovely. I love the outcome of this cake. My client said she wants a touch of gold on the cake because she actually saw a sample on my page. So said she wants the color and she wants that touch of gold on the cake, and I'm happy that she got value for her money. So guys, if you have any question about the class so far, you can just send me it. You can just chat me up, please. Nobody should send me a private message. Just send a message in the group for people to understand, okay, so that others can learn from your questions. Anyway, so this is me adding my touch of gold. I know you guys be saying that Makari is sharing this gold pump. Well, I love it, and my customers also love the fact they love gold. Some of my customers love gold, so whenever they tell me they want a touch of gold, this is what I do. So with the color of the cake and the gold on it just makes the cake more beautiful. If I'd had my way safe, I would have just pumped the whole cake gold. Like, guys, the outcome will be so crazy and beautiful. So you can see me doing the pump. Just makes life easier for me, I just love the pump things. Whenever my customer tells me that they want gold on their cake, I'm so excited because gold actually makes your cake come out. You can see the drip. You can see how gold just changed the change the color of the drip. Like, it's so beautiful, simple and classy. It's actually a cake for a lady anyway. So I'm using gold coin. I'm sure you guys know gold coin. I'm using it on the cake. And I also use some chocolate, and I also use the sherry. So you're gonna see how beautiful this cake turned out to be. So guys, I hope you all are understanding the process of how to decorate with whipped cream, with liquid whipped cream. Just follow my process and follow the procedure. You definitely get it right. Also try to stay on Instagram to get different inspirations about designs, because there are a lot of designs on Instagram. You can use hashtags, to search for some beautiful designs so as to get inspired. So guys, here's the outcome of the cake, and it's beautiful. I love everything about the cake. It's so classy, it's so unique, it's lovely. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, please drop your questions in the group. I don't like people coming to my private DM to ask me questions. I prefer you send me questions here in the group so that other people can benefit from your questions and of course the answers. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching the video. I look forward to seeing your amazing cakes posted in the group, and also to motivate others as well. So once again guys, thank you so much. Here comes the final outcome of the cake. It's so beautiful. Alright guys, once again, thank you so much for your time, and have an amazing time while learning. Talk to you all later. Bye for now.